Borada, good morning. It's Jo from Talk and Play. Today we're going to read The Big Red Bath. Are you ready? Ben and Bella in the big red bath. Splash you, splish, splash, splosh. Bubbles in the bath, water on the floor. But who's that? Scratching at the door. Whoa, 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 whoa. Who is it? Shall we see? It's Dog!
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hi there, kids. Can I come for a swim?
Course you can, Dog. Just dive in. Dog dives in, front feet first. Bubbles rise, bubbles burst. Pop! Dog, Ben and Bella in the big red bath. Splash you, splish, splash, splosh. Bubbles in the bath, water on the floor. But who's that? Roaring at the door. Who is it? Shall we see? Roar! It's Lion! Roar! Hi there, kids. Can I have a wash? Leap in, Lion, splish and splosh. Lion leaps in and starts to scrub. Bubbles rise, rub-a-dub-dub. Lion, Dog, Ben and Bella in the big red bath. Splash you, splish, splash, splosh. Bubbles froth, the waters rise. Whack, whack, whack. Who's that? Ben cries. Who is it? Shall we see? Whack, whack, whack. Hello, kids. Can I come for a paddle? Course you can, Duck, dibble and dabble. Duck dibble dabbles at a quacking pace. Bubbles fly all over the place. Lots of bubbles. Duck, Lion, Dog, Ben and Bella in the big red bath. Splash you, splish, splash, splosh. Water overflows, bubbles mount. The bath is starting to bob about. Oh no! When Turtle hurtles in. Can I have a dip? Pursued by Penguin. I want to flip. Giraffe races in. Make room for me, I'm being followed. But who can it be? Shall we see? No, it's Hippopotamus. He slips on the floor and slides under the bath, which goes sloosh through the door and down the stairs so very fast. Kanga wants a ride, but the bath shoots past. Where's it going? Kanga's determined. She takes a bound, and so the big red bath suddenly leaves the ground. Oh my gosh. Where do you think it's going, everybody? Shall we see? It flies twice around the world over mountain and plain until a flock of very nice flamingos tow it all the way home again. Bubbles in the bath, water on the floor. But who's that coming through the door? Shall we see? It's Mum. Rubba-dubba giggle, rubba-dubba laugh. Let's tell our Mum about our big red bath. Oh, well done, everybody. I hope you have lots of bubbles in your bath. Join us next time for story time. Bye.